Hello everyone, welcome to Code Speaks. In this video, we will see how to install VS Code in your local systems. To install VS Code in your local system, just go to your web browser, just type VS Code, click on download and enter. Just click on that first link which have been appear in your Google Chrome systems. Just click on that. Then it direct to the download section of VS Code over here. Just click on this Windows session. Click on that. Then it automatically directed into the different types of systems. Now you can see that the download bin have been started over here. Let's wait for few minutes so that the download can be completed. Then we'll try to install VS Code in your local system, in our local systems. Yes, the download have been successfully installed. Just click on folder icon so that you can know that where the download have been downloaded in your local system. Just double click on this VS Code setup. Just double click on that. After double clicking on that, it asks for permissions whether to install this type of installer in your local systems or not. Just just accept the agreement over here and just click on next over here. Create a desktop icon over here. Click on that if you want to willing to see that VS Code icon on your desktop. I prefer to choose create a desktop over here. Create a desktop icon. Then I will click on next. Just click on install. Now the install have been started. Let's wait for a few minutes. It integrates all the required file systems in your system. Just click on finish. Now we are good to go. Here the VS Code have been successfully installed in your local systems. This is the interface of VS Code, and these are the nodes that have been integrated in the VS Code and the functionalities of VS Code. In this way we can install VS Code easily in our local systems. Thank you and have a great day.